isagamiyan amira ahdi aan ladika ufiya
Oh my days!
indahaygu qabtan unsira hiya oh say hi.
I'm doing great. How you doing?
I'm alright, thanks. You should have said Wufi and I.
So you can speak Somali?
No.
Okay.
My best friend's from Somalia.
Okay, let's start again.
Okay. Say hi.
Fi'an, say adi.
Wufi and I.
Oh, definitely. What's your name?
My name's Bella.
Bella. My name is Adil. Nice to meet you, Bella.
Nice to meet you.
You have beautiful eyes. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Thank you.
So you're from Sweden?
I'm from England, but I'm in Sweden because my family lives here, so I'm celebrating Midsummer.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna come back to UK?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. How do you like in Sweden, though? Better than UK?
I like it. Wait, I know a song in Somali as well. Can I sing it to you?
Oh, come on. Here we go again. You're going.
Okay. Isagamiyan amira ahdi aan ladika ufiya.
Oh my days!
Indahaygu qabtan unsira.
Wait. Let me actually play for you this song. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. God damn! So you hang out with a lot of Somalis?
Yeah, my best friend's Somali, and I stayed with her family for quite some time.
Oh my
We went on
days.
holiday together, so.
We need to give you a Somali husband.
You know, they already call me White Xaliimo.
Oh!
White Xaliimo.
Did you say they call me White Xaliimo? No, we need to get you a Farah. You need to get. You need to be 100% Somali. This is like crazy. What's going on?
Power on. The Bluetooth device is
God damn. What was that song called?
Amira, I think.
God, you know. Oh my days. I'm cooked. I'm actually cooked. The song name was Adiga Miyan Amina, yeah?
Yeah.
Wallahi, we cooked. God damn, you more Somali than others.
ज़ेली सुकून के लिए रेमिटली डाउनलोड करें.
This YouTube and Okay. Vale. Bella. Do you use Instagram?
I have Instagram, yeah, but I don't use it that often.
Okay,
but
which app do you use? Do you use
Snapchat.
Snapchat? Okay, what's your Snapchat, Bella?
I'll send you my Snapchat.
Oh, damn.
There you go. I can send him Instagram as well.
Damn, you were so fast. So you already had somewhere ready. You can't type this quick. Nah.
I have it.
Damn.
It's automatic. It's
Okay.
automatic. So
Wait. Let me. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm in Somali community. I'm kind of popular guy.
Ooh,
I'm a streamer.
Ooh, that's cool.
So you don't mind?
You're on stream right now.
I'm streaming right now.
No way.
I swear I'm streaming. I ain't gonna lie to you. Okay, I followed you on